Instagram Marketing 2020. Grow organic followers naturally. Description: grow organic targeted followers, quick brand awareness, and turn page visits into paying customers with Instagram marketing. Requirements: have an Instagram account on a mobile device. Cybersecurity incident handling and response. Description: become a professional cybersecurity incident handling team member or team leader. Requirements: be professional in the field of the cybersecurity incidents handling and responding. Super way to learn Arduino. Creative. Description: from zero to hero, thinking out of box. Requirements: basics of how to use computer and browser. Java for everyone. Zero to hero. Description: core Java, oops, collection, exception handling, design pattern. Requirements: basic computing knowledge is enough for this course, as I have designed this course considering that you don't have programming knowledge. And after this course you will be able to write code without any issue. The Advanced HTML5 course. Description: learn Advanced HTML5 practically from scratch. Requirements: a text editor and a passion for learning. How to create stunning marketing video using free, paid tools. Description: learn about target audience, optimal video length, write script like a pro, structure, voiceover, PowerPoint updated. Requirements: patience and desire to learn. The Cybersecurity Network Protocol Hacking course. Description: comprehensive cybersecurity network protocol course. Learn and understand cybersecurity network protocol from scratch. Requirements: interest in networking. Learn jQuery programming practically. Description: learn web development using jQuery programming practically from scratch. Requirements: basic computer knowledge. Advanced Microsoft Excel Formulas and Functions Course 2020. Description: Excel, lookup, index and match, relative, absolute, advanced Excel training, Microsoft Excel, advanced Excel. Requirements: Microsoft Office software installed, no prior Excel knowledge is needed. Kanban, productivity and efficiency for agile lean project. Description: learn how to reduce bottlenecks, visualize workflow with the Kanban board and combine with Scrum plus Scrumban pointers. Requirements: there are no prerequisites for this course. I explain everything from the ground up. Microsoft Excel, learn MS Excel for data analysis. Description: Excel, learn how Excel can be used for data analysis by creating Excel project, Excel app, other Excel tools. Requirements: having Microsoft Excel, having a minimum of knowledge about this app. Blender 2.8 model, a lightsaber for beginners. Description: 3D model a lightsaber with Blender 2.8 featuring texturing, materials, animation, and using the all-new Eevee rendering. Requirements: to have downloaded Blender 2.8, available for free. Thirst to learn and excitement about 3D modeling. All resources are supplied in the course including over 25 textures maps, 1 resolution map and 2 references. Blender 3D model, a medieval catapult full simulation guide. Description: learn to model, texture, animate and simulate a complete medieval catapult 3D model from start to finish. Requirements: Blender 2.76 and above, free to download via the official Blender website. A basic working knowledge of the Blender UI. Scanning and discovery techniques for pen testers. Description: learn and understand Nmap from scratch. A complete beginner's guide to learn ethical hacking. Requirements: a basic understanding of using operating systems, networks, TCP, IP and the Internet.